internet. So today I have a haul video for you today. It is a Kikki K haul, which I haven't done one in quite a long time. At the end of last year on my birthday, a bunch of my friends got me some Kikki K gift vouchers, which added up to be about $100, which was so nice of them. I'm really grateful, and I decided to pull the trigger and use it this time because the gift voucher was going to end I think in another 6 months or so, and when I saw some of these items coming out on Kikki K, I thought, these look pretty good, I'd be pretty happy to get them, so I pulled the trigger, and I'm pretty happy about this haul because I essentially paid $5 for the entire thing, like $5 of my own money, because $100 gift voucher covered everything else. So I thought I would unbox this for you on camera. I ordered it online, even though I work close to like 3 or 4 Kikki Ks. I'm still just an online person. I love this wrapping paper, to be honest. I feel like I want to keep it. Okay, so I think I'll put this on my lap and I'll pull one item out at a time. Alright, so there's essentially 2 items here. I'll open this one up first. Every time I do a Kikki K haul or anything related video and I mention about Kikki K being an Australian company, I get a lot of people telling me, no, it's a Swedish company, don't you see? It always talks about the Swedish style, and like even the cards are like to some degree Swedish. And I think that's like a really easy misconception, I suppose, because even if you look at Kikki K's website, they don't actually mention the fact that they're based in Port Melbourne, Australia. I don't know why. And in the past, when the company first started up, it was very obviously an Australian company. The owner, Christina, is actually from Sweden, and she migrated to Melbourne, I think, for her partner at the time. Like, this was probably 2 decades ago, and she ended up setting up her own company, Kikki K. So that's kind of how Kikki K started. The head office is still based in Port Melbourne because I live and work in Melbourne, so I see the job listings for the head office come up a lot, especially in our IT industry. And yeah, I really don't know how else to explain it, because I usually have to go back to old articles where Kikki K is listed as like one of Australia's top independent companies or stuff like that to show people that it's an Australian company. I guess the website is structured in a way to kind of give the appeal that it is a very Swedish-like company, which it is. Stylistic-wise, it really is very Swedish-like, but it's an Australian company. At least it originated from Melbourne, but it's just grown internationally now, which is amazing. Like, it's always so good, and it makes me really proud to see Australian companies thrive internationally. So anyways, this is the first item. This is a holographic water bottle. If you watch my last bullet journal video, then you'll know that I have resigned from my current job. I'm still technically there at the moment, but I'll be moving over to the new job very soon. So I'm really excited in that I've started unnecessarily buying stuff that I probably don't need to bring to the new job, such as a new water bottle, because I just figure a new start, new things. It's very logical. I just realized I still have my hair tie on, but that's right. So I have been obsessed with collecting all sorts of water bottles recently, and I especially love glass water bottles. I'm not a big fan of plastic, even if it's BPA free. Still not a fan. I'm just much more of a glass person. It's probably on my head, but I feel like water and stuff tastes better out of glass. It's probably in my head. I just love the look of this. It's so pretty. It's just a standard water bottle. There's nothing really special about it, but I just love the holographic effect. It just looks so nice. So yes. And then the rest of this is stationery related. As you can see, I really was into the holographic collection that just came out. That's why most of these things are going to be holographic. But I got these paper clips, which are so cute. I love these beautiful paper clips, and I would use them to decorate my planner. I could not imagine putting them on a document and giving them to people. Like, no. And I've got 2 sticker books here. So a holographic sticker book, and I think this was from a previous collection. Not sure what the name is, yes, but I'll open both up. I love these sticker books. I am considering of using one of these for a plan with me video. In fact, I just might use this one for my next, not my next plan with me, but maybe the plan with me after. I just find, like, I don't know, I really want to try and experiment with different types of stickers besides the kits that I always use, because I love the kits, but I really want to experiment, get creative. But I love the motivational quotes that Kikki K have. They're just, I love sticking them on like notebooks at work, just so I have something nice to look at, or their name tags. And these are like corners. Love this. Oh, and these are like tags. So I don't know if you can see, but there's like little holes that you can punch through here. So you can, like, when you wrap presents, you can string it through. Love it. Okay, so that's the first sticker book, and then this is the holographic one. It's so trippy. I love it. Oh, wow. These stickers are so cool. Look at it. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I love the sticker book. They're so pretty. I don't know if I want to use them now, which is a really bad habit. More quotes. This is so cool. I have not seen anything like this. Ooh, that's so nice. Okay, and then you get the tags at the back as well. This first page though kind of really blew me away. That is so cool. I could just sit here and look at it all day. So shiny and rainbowy. Okay. And now, and then this is the last item I picked up. It is the Paper Lovers book. So for most collections Kikki K release, they will have like a few standard items. Usually they'll have some planners, notebooks, they'll have the sticker books, and then they'll have a Paper Lovers book which contains stickers, wrapping paper, cards, little like not origami, but kind of paper craft items, like you can make little boxes or gifts and a lot of other cool stuff. So I love collecting these for all the collections that I personally am drawn to. See, there's another way you could use the tags. You could string them along like a banner. Yeah, and I found these actually come in really handy, especially around birthdays or Christmas or times like that, because I can wrap presents and have a specific theme to them. So this is the cover. It's such a cool cover. I mean, can you blame me for like being completely drawn into the holographic collection they had? It's so mesmerizing. All right, it's a pretty thick book, but so see, you've got like a peripheral edge here, so you can pull this out and it's like a piece of note paper. So it's just, if you are like somebody who loves paper crafts, origami, just general crafting, these books are amazing because they can be used for so many different things. You can cut pieces of paper out and use them to stick in your planner. All sorts of great stuff. So these are all like note papers. This is pattern paper, which like I could take some of this out and resize them, and I could stick them into like my traveler's notebooks or my ring bound planner, which I've done in the past for some of the older collections. And this is a little envelope that you can make. Another envelope. Different type of envelope. And then we've got some sticker labels here. More stickers, holographic stickers. More stickers. And then see, you can make like, these are like little fold out cards, so you can pull them out, which I've used cards like this before as thank you notes to friends or special customers. Some more cards. You got some tags. Oops, more tags here. More tags. You can like, these ones have 2 holes in them, so you can like string them into a banner and hang them somewhere, which if I had a room pretty enough, I could see me doing that. Oh, this is a little gift box, so you could make a little gift box and put trinkets inside. Another treat box. Okay. Ah, a paper chatterbox and paper rosette. Don't really know. I think it's kind of like a napkin sort of thing. So you got more note paper back here. And I think it kind of repeats itself but with a different theme. So we've got this more like, I don't know, nighttime dreamy theme. I'm just gonna quickly flip through. I'll be here forever. Ooh, this is like paper flower crown. So you could make a crown with this. And you could build a little paper house, like an example here, paper house and a paper tree. There's decoration, some more cards, some more tags, stickers, more note paper. Well, you've got like a few collections in here. More note paper, some more cards. And what is this? Quote cards. Okay, quote cards. And then you've got like kindness cards if you want to leave them for somebody that you like. More tags. This is another paper craft. Oh, paper tassels. Oh wow, so you can, I don't know if you can see, there's like cut marks already in here, like lots of little cut marks here, so you can end up making like little tassels. That would be so cute. I think this is more like rosettes. No, these are bookmarks, so you can pull these out and use them as bookmarks. Ooh, I like this. You can stick these on your door handle. Paper bows, and more stickers for tags. And then at the back they usually have like 2 sets of wrapping paper. So you can pull these out and they actually are pretty decently sized. So that's everything in the Paper Lovers book. As you can see, it's like, I feel like this is something for everyone. That's everything I got from Kikki K. I'm really happy with this haul. I'm especially happy because I spent $5 my own money on it, as cheap as that might sound. And I think that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.